Well, you fought real good out there, Tychus. Your time in the freezer didn't dull your edge none.
Well, fear and violence always did bring out the best in me.
Have to admit, we always did make a good team.
Yeah. Well, that was until I went to prison and you went legit.
Right.
Ever wonder why Minx don't just send him ghosts to kill ya? You've been a thorn in his side for a long time.
Assassinating me just turned me into a martyr. He'd never be rid of me then. He needs to kill my reputation first.
Very good. You think clearly despite your hate for him. Of course, his patience has got limits too. Tread careful, Mr. Rayner. Someone on this ship is already working for Minsk. I can feel it.
So how does the Odin raid as a fighting machine?
Brother, it is the single greatest creation in the history of mankind. Striding around and dispensing righteous fury just about brought a tear to my eye. You just let me know when I can take it out for another spin.
You'll get your chance soon enough, old buddy. Don't you worry.
This is Kate Lockwell reporting from UNN headquarters on Core Hall. Let's go to Donnie Vermillion on special assignment.
Kate, I'm very pleased to be talking to General Horace Warfield. General, I understand that Dominion forces will soon be showing off their newest weapon, the Odin War Machine.
That's correct, Donnie. We'll show the Odin on the streets of Core Hall itself, with full coverage from your fine network.
General, Kate Lockwell here. I've heard rumblings about some sort of logistics trouble with the Odin's debut.
Now, Kate...
It's true, Kate. The Odin was delayed in shipping, and we briefly lost communication with the production facility. But it arrived safely, so we can go ahead with the unveiling.
You heard it here first. The Dominion unveiling new weapons of destruction on the streets of Core Hall.
What is wrong with that woman? Tell her not to interrupt my interviews!
Your boy Horner is actually pulling this off. Gotta say, I'm mighty impressed.
So Swan, what are the chances we can build something like that Odin?
You nuts? No way we've got the facilities for mass-producing hardware on that scale.
And here I was thinking you could build anything, Swan.
Cute. All right, forget the scale. I'm gonna figure it out, don't you worry. And I'll come up with something a damn sight more practical than that showpiece. You see if I don't.
Sir, when Tychus came back aboard the ship, I had the techs run a scan on him.
Matt, you need to get a hobby.
Seriously, sir. His suit contains a sophisticated transponder. If it receives the correct code, it'll shut down all his major organs. That suit is a death trap.
He's got a gun to his head.
And who's got their finger on the trigger? Mobius?
Tychus, what have you gotten yourself into?
We have the Odin. Now we can use it to spearhead our takeover of the UNN studios on Core Hall. Once the Odin has taken out their defenses, we'll broadcast our evidence against Minsk. Figure they'll throw everything they have at us. They'll be talking about this one for years. Our raid on the Valhalla facility hasn't even been reported yet.
The Dominion have no idea we stole the Odin. I had to call in every favor I had, but I got the Odin on the surface with Tychus inside.
Matt, you're a miracle worker. Must have been a complicated operation.
You don't even want to know, sir. I'm not gonna let anything keep us from exposing Minsk.
So they're still expecting to film it at the UNN studios later today?
That's right. And we won't disappoint them. Seeing as he's the only one with experience, Tychus will pilot the Odin and hit the studio guards with a surprise attack. They'll be confused for several minutes, and won't even know who to attack at first.
And during the confusion, we'll establish a forward base using this command center we acquired earlier. Pretty devious, Matt. I like it.
If Tychus can inflict enough damage during the sneak attack, making the broadcast should be relatively easy. Keep in mind, we'll only have a few minutes before the Dominion realize that Tychus is in the Odin. Once they figure it out, they'll use everything they've got to stop us.
Whatever happens, we'll be giving Mex one hell of a broadcast. Let's do this.
I'm in the Dominion security network, bringing up their locations now.
All right, Tychus. Who do you think?
Thought you'd never ask. He followed me home. Can I keep it?
Odin has gone rogue. Repeat, Odin has gone rogue. Bring it down! Attention, rogue pilot. This is General Warfield of Dominion Command. You're ordered to stand down or face immediate termination. Behold the Dominions.
Make room for the big dog. I like it down. Heavy duty. Hope this thing's insured. This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty. This'll get her done. Heavy duty. Hope this thing's insured. Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty. This'll get her done. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This mighty steel giant stands as a testimony to the skill and determination of our Dominion engineers and scientists.
Forge
Fortune favors the bold. Make room for the big dog.
Rock and roll.
Heavy duty.
An alert's gone out. It won't be long before they shut me out of their system.
Don't rush me, kid. Can a man take some pleasure in his work?
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done. I like it. Make room for the big dog.
Almost out of time.
So are these guys. Don't sweat it.
Now rock and roll.
I like it. Follow me home. Can I keep it?
Dominions switched to a secure channel. I can't track their positions anymore. But I have gained access to the UNN network. We'll need troops to stay close to one of the broadcast towers long enough to get our message out. For our broadcast to reach all of Dominion space, we'll need to control each broadcast tower long enough to upload the data. Any unit type can maintain control.
You can bet Max will have something to say about that. Let's get moving.
Huh? Ah! You scared me!
Our base is up and running. I'm transferring control of it to you now, sir.
What's going on? Yeah. SCV ready. Big job, huh? Yeah.
They followed me home. Can I keep?
Hardware inbound. These stores are smaller than the Odin, but they handle better and they still hit hard. Enjoy.
That big dog is all mine.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
The doctor is in.
Feel the thunder. You gonna give me orders? This better be good. You want a piece of me, boy? Been waiting on you.
Let's see this baby. It followed me home.
Armed and ready. Orders received. Show.
I am heavy men.
By the numbers, boys. Got it. That's fine. Fine. Got something for me. Who wants some? Yeah. Coming through. You gonna give me orders? Affirmative. Outstanding. We could use some help here.
They followed me home.
We could
like
use
it.
some help here. You gonna give me orders? Outstanding. In the rear with the gear. Go, go, go! Yo. Yep. We could use some help here. Want some?
Upgrade complete.
Let's see what this baby's got. It followed me home.
You gonna give me orders?
Upgrade complete.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready. Security breach at one of the towers. Strike Team Alpha, engage. Stop them. Yeah, come and fight me.
Not enough.
Go, go, go. This better be good.
Not enough.
This.
First transmission uploaded. Even Megs won't be able to wriggle out of this one.
Incoming transmission.
There's only one man arrogant enough to think he can get away with this. Raynor.
Ha! Just for once, Arcturus, this really is all about you. I hope you enjoy our show.
I knew it. Warfield, get your men down there. I want Raynor's head, you understand? Him and all his terrorist friends.
Who wants some? Ragnar, rock and roll.
Upgrade. Not enough minerals.
They're attacking a tower. Strike Team Bravo. take them out.
Upgrade complete.
Hit me. Huh? Well, butter my biscuit. Ah! You scared me!
We're almost done transmitting Mink's dirty little secret to the Dominion.
This'll get her done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Followed me home. Can I keep it?
Go, go, go! What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
Let's see what this baby's got.
In the rear with the gear.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Armed and ready.
Human tenacity and ingenuity have come together to forge the final answer to the Zerg.
This'll get her done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Upgrade complete.
This'll get her done.
I'm heavy metal. Come and fight me.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Hit me.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Strike Team Charlie, get to that tower. Bring down those rebels.
This thing's assured.
We could use some help here.
That's the last one. Let's see what the people will think of their beloved Emperor now.
All transmissions have been sent, sir. Every world in the Dominion just got a UNN special bulletin about Minsk.